All right, so we just created, I think, the little brick with 3 lines here. So let's go ahead and try the diamond. Yeah, again, welcome to the Nomad 3D Money Acid little bidder series. So go up here, we're gonna do a diamond. So a good choice would be icosahedron, right? Do front. Let's do a 90-degree turn. So let's see. As you can see here, this is pretty good, right? If we go left, actually, no, let's go like this. Okay, so that's a little better. So on the left side, this is the top. On the front, this is the top. Let's see, we gotta get this. Maybe a 45-degree angle would be better. So let's change this. Oh, my bad. Because we wanted something like this. That we want it lined up. Yeah. All right, so let's see if we can do it like this. Right, and then do trim, and then we're gonna cut it here. So let's go to this right here, make sure the angle is 45, line. All right, then hold right here. Just try to line up a little more. Okay, you see, it's not so bad. Then like this. Let's do our cuts. It's not absolutely terrible, but it's a terrible diamond. Let's see. Let's see. All right. There might be another way. Let's delete this one and create a cone. Right. Go to the top, go to the front, then turn it upside down. And we're gonna do 45, 45, 45, 45, 180. All right. And then we're gonna bring this down like that. And validate. And then we're gonna do some dragging. So actually, let's add some clay. Let's go to top. If I remember correctly, we are gonna do high intensity, low radius, and we're gonna make sure this is geometrical. Right? So whatever happens to one side happens to the other. All right. So like this. Oh, we're adding, we're not subtracting. All right, like that. And then we are gonna get up here and we are gonna drag or pull up. Let's make this bigger. front, like that. Drag or move. Like that. All right, like this. Then okay, I want it to happen to both sides, so let's make sure X and Y. All right, X and C, and then like that. Oh, okay, that does go up evenly. Nice. No, that does not. Oh, it's because this one's a little clay. Okay, sub. Smaller. Okay. That looks about the same then. Okay, let's try this again. Move. Let's drag instead of move. Like that. And then we add clay. And let's smooth this out. Or we can flatten this, I think. Go to the side. So top view, back, front, and then trim, rectangle. Right, and then line. Sweet. Oh, well, that's nice. Let's do voxel. Okay, it's not a great diamond, but it is a diamond. So let's smooth out just a bit more. Here we are. So it'll just be more of a smooth diamond then. Yep. See, so about the same shape. All right, let's round this out a bit more here. Or we can flatten it as well. Make that bigger. Top. Sweet. All right. And then we just, let's see, rename it. UV unwrap. Takes a little bit of time. Sweet. All right, let's paint it. We're gonna do like a nice blue right here, and then force paint it all. And then so we can see it. See? Oh, pretty good. And congrats, you got your rough, slightly smooth diamond here. And let's continue with another asset.